What's going on, guys? I got a quick tip for all of you wholesalers out there. Real quick. You know what that is? Stop trying to come up with all of your repair budget bids yourself. Okay? You're not a contractor. Stop trying to be one. Okay, wholesalers? You make wholesalers look bad when you come in with all of these fake estimates that aren't based in fact. They're just like random estimates from someone who has no experience in fixing properties. Okay? So do us all a favor and call a contractor out to the place that you're trying to get some repair budget bids on. Okay, guys? Let's do this the right way. Let's try to be as professional as possible. Stop making up numbers. That's why your deals aren't getting closed right now, because you're making up random numbers. Don't listen to nobody that's telling you to just go make up some fake random number. Like, just ask yourself, does that make sense? Am I really being a legitimate salesperson? Am I really being legitimate when I'm trying to sell these properties if I'm just coming up with some random number based off of some type of calculation that has nothing to do with what's actually wrong with the property? So ask yourself that. I'm pretty sure you know what the answer is. That's a rhetorical question, guys. Anyway. But look, just do us all a favor, call some contractors, some local contractors. What they'll do is come out, give you a repair bid on the property for free, guys. They want to work, they want to earn the work. They want to be able to be the person who actually fixes the property at the end of the day, guys. So all you have to do is reach out to some contractors, preferably have them meet you at the property the very first time that you go there to actually check it out. So then that's 2 for 1 now. Now you've got your repair estimates, you actually saw the property, you've taken care of a lot of things all at once. People are so loud out here. Anyway though, guys, I'm outside, I'm out here in beautiful Chicago, you know, man. I'm just trying to give y'all some tips so you all can get some more deals closed. This is gonna be my quick tips series, guys. Short, quick, and straight to the point. So like I said, stop wasting time making up random numbers. Stop losing out on deals because someone actually came with an official repair bid and yours was just random made up numbers. If you really want to get some money, guys, be legitimate, do it the right way, have a contractor meet you at the place, guys. That's just some quick tips for you real quick, guys. Until next time, I'm out.